Hello everyone and welcome to my Raspberry Pi tutorials. I'm new to the Raspberry Pi community, but I think I have something new to offer. But before we get into more advanced topics, I want to cover what everybody else has done, but at least in my own way. And we're going to work with LEDs in the Raspberry Pi. I'm going to use Python code, and you can see that code in the description. But for now, what we want to do is we actually want to turn on one LED using one of our pins. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on both LEDs back and forth using two pins. I'm going to be using pins number 16 and pin 18, and I'm going to use pin 6 for ground. Now, pin 16 is connected to the positive end of my LED. The negative end of my LED is connected to the resistor, which is about 15 ohms. Pin 18 is connected to the positive end of my LED. The negative end of the LED is connected to the resistor. And of course, like I said, both negative ends are going to ground. So using Python code, what we want to do is turn on one LED. And we're going to have it blink 3 times. So let's get that going. 1, 2, 3. That's great. That's exactly what we want it to do. So with that, let's go ahead and get 2 LEDs to blink back and forth. Again, using Python code, we'll go back and forth. So again, I've realized that's very simple at this point, but what I want to do as I go further along in my tutorials is to go into more advanced topics and have LEDs do more specific things and actually apply them to some hobbies that I've done in the past. So I want to make those hobbies more interactive. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you again in the future.